Okay, this is a Toyota Camry 2023. They already started with the rim theft again. They quiet down a little bit. Now these are 2023 model rims. So here we go again, the rim theft on them. So what we did, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. So if anybody bangs in the tires or whatnot, it will set off the alarm. I'll show you guys in a second. Go ahead and bang on the tire. Go ahead and arm it again. Give it another 30 seconds because factory alarms have 30 seconds. This is another car that they hit the rims to. So yeah, this thing is heating up again, the rim theft. I'm gonna get ready to, it's a 2023 Toyota Camry. I'm gonna bang on this side and then you'll see that the factory alarm will trigger. The nice thing about it is getting the shock sensor kit add-on. You don't have to carry another fob around or nothing like that. It incorporates to the factory alarm, keeps it nice and clean. And it gives you that, because what happens is with factory, the only way the factory alarm goes off is somebody opens the door. But nobody's going to do that to steal rims and tires. They're going to take them without, there's no need to open the doors or even break the window. This shock sensor kit add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, feel free to call us and we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. And this is Auto Alarm Specialist. Thank you for watching this video.